If you were asked to draw a pizza cutter, what would it look like? I imagined a pizza cutter as a wheel with a stick on the end.
But what if I told you there was no stick?
Whoa. There's a saying that people don't like change, yet that seems partially incorrect to me, as this is a radical change from a traditional pizza cutter. And yet, I like it. People like changes that are good. When my old pizza cutter broke, I went to Amazon to find a new one. That's when I saw the kitschy pizza cutter wheel. It has a protective blade guard, which is nice for when the pizza cutter is in storage, as the blade does look sharp. It wasn't sharp enough to cut through the box it was shipped with, so I was skeptical. Could this actually cut a pizza cleanly? To determine that, I needed a pizza. I hesitate to tell you about this next part, as I don't want you all running out to go buy it and ruining my pizza supply. But in Aldi, there's a 16-inch pizza from Mama Cosey's Pizza Kitchen, and it's only around $6. That's pretty good, considering that a New York City pizza can easily cost $20. It's not exactly the same thing, as delivery doesn't arrive wrapped in plastic. But this is a nice solution when a big city pizzeria is not available. So I'll just drop the 16-inch pizza onto this 16-inch pan. I like to add some flour so that the pizza doesn't stick. Clearly I added too much. And the pizza doesn't exactly fit in the pan. So I feel the need to remind everyone, this is not a cooking channel. Next, I'll preheat the oven. Meanwhile, I'll survey the damage. I did make a mess. No problem, that's easy enough to clean up. See, that looks nice. Ready for the next Phottix TV product review. Like this basil kit. Sorry, little basil, you're just too young to go on this pizza. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the oven to heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perhaps I set it too low, as the pizza looked a little doughy. So I raised the temperature and cooked it some more. It's probably still a little undercooked, but I didn't want to burn it. This is good enough for the test. So, does the pizza cutter work? I think so. It definitely was easier than cutting the pizza with a knife. The kitschy pizza cutter just rolled across the pizza. It feels good, like a modernized tool. And look how effortlessly the slice pulls apart from the rest of the pie. That looks so yummy. I think that this is a very good pizza cutter. The best part is the way it can be cleaned. The pieces easily snap apart so that the blade can be properly washed. That is quite nice. All that's left to do now is pour a beverage and enjoy a couple of slices of pizza.